Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl. So for starters, my client brought in this beautiful inspiration picture by, I think I want to say her name is Porche, either Porsche or Porche. I think it's Porche though. And you guys know she's on YouTube as well. So if you're not subscribed, go subscribe to her channel. She does bum content. So first things first, I do want to say that I did not really have the colors, the exact colors to do this set. So I pretty much just had to use what I had pretty much. Um, and to be honest, y'all, I don't know where I got this nude from. I've been trying to figure out because I actually bought a lot of nudes from this company. It was back way before quarantine when I bought this. And as you can see on the top, that's the only label I have to go by. And I seriously cannot remember where I got this from. So yeah, that's that. But this is such a pretty nude. I wish I knew where I got it from because once I run out, girl, it's gone. It's gone. It's gone. Again, using my Notpolish brush in a size 12, and this color, the original acrylic was, I think the brand is called Instant, and the color is Hawaiian blue, but I actually mixed clear into that to make this lighter blue. So this is how I got this color. All right, I'm honestly just going with the flow, y'all. The tips I have for this video are my Too Cute Perfect Coffin tips that I just cut down and shaped into a tapered square. And we doing like a long set, so you know the vibes. Now, another thing I want to mention, y'all. As you can see, your girl's got long nails on in this video. Y'all know I normally don't have nails on, or if I do, they're short. But I decided to do something different. I wanted to treat myself, do my nails, but I was instantly regretting that because doing nails with long nails, I don't know about y'all, but for me, it's a struggle. And I just feel like my hands get in the way and I don't really know how to move them out of the way. So I had to do a lot of stuff differently because I had these nails on. Putting the tips on was challenging, so I had to use some tweezers to pull the nail tips out of the box. And the application part wasn't bad, but since I had long nails on, when I was holding my brush, my nail was kind of like, you can kind of see my nails kind of stopping me from fully holding my brush all the way. So that was super weird. And what else? And fouling, like reshaping, that was so weird. I had to completely change my whole routine. So yeah, I just wanted to say things look a little off, child. I got these nails on, but I did cut them down after this client, I want to say, because it took me longer too because I had these nails on. So I don't really like that. Your girl like to move fast. I don't like that. So I did end up cutting them down. I still got the same nails on right now. They're cut down. I done painted them green and everything, y'all. So, and this video is very old. I just took forever y'all excuse my dog. I just took forever to edit this video, y'all. Like, editing for me is such a hassle. I have to be in a great mood. I have to be, comfortable because I can't get on here talking crazy, sounding crazy to y'all. So I always got to make sure I'm in a good mood to record voiceovers because I know most of the time people like voiceovers instead of me just, putting music in the background. I don't really care to even put the music in the background because YouTube copyrighted music just sucks. So honestly, it's looking like I should just talk over all the videos at this point. But yeah, this one I kind of got out of frame, but I just did an ombre, something cute, sweet, simple. And yeah, just a simple ombre. I need to find out where I got this nude from, but that was like 2 years ago. So I don't know if I'll be able to find it. I'm pretty sure I don't have a email order confirmation because I just know I don't. So because I think what happened was I had bought this product list from somebody, and it was like a wholesale vendor list, and this was one of the sites or whatever, but it wasn't really a site. It was just this Vietnamese lady that just sold acrylic from her shop, and she was out of state. And anyway, child, I'll probably never find this acrylic, but you can just use whatever nude you want. You know, it's not really, you can do any nude that matches your client, really. So again, this is just application. On the other hand, I just have this whole video sped up, y'all, because we'll be here for 2 hours looking at me applying acrylic in real time, even though it's very satisfying to watch. It is very satisfying, but we gotta speed it up. So yeah, this color is really pretty, even though it doesn't match the color that Porche used. I really hope I'm saying her name right, but I still like this color. It was cute. And I am capping like the nail bed part with clear just in case, because y'all know certain acrylics are very soft, and once you start fouling it, they start disappearing in around the cuticle area, and we ain't got time for that. So as y'all can see, I'm struggling trying to foul this nail because I got these long nails on. I just had to switch up and adjust. It wasn't bad, it just took longer. Like that right there, y'all know I normally hold their nail and foul the side, but I couldn't hold her nail because I had nails on. So that part was kind of irritating for me. Now I would say, after you start doing nails with long nails on, of course, like anything else, you'll get used to it. But since I haven't had long nails in a minute and been doing long nails, like actually having these on and doing long nails, it was just all brand new to me all over again. So I was really kind of struggling, but I just decided to show you guys anyway, pretty much my technique for fouling, since I never really show it. But no matter what angle I have my foul in, I just make sure I always foul straight. So you can kind of see, no matter what angle I hold my foul in, I'm going straight in and out or straight up and down. Just as long as you go straight and you're directly up against the nail, you'll be good. Now, whenever you foul in the sides, with these tips, sometimes you do have to go underneath them. Just make sure it's a straight line underneath as well. But whenever you're shaping, you pretty much want to be directly up against the side of the acrylic, especially when you get up there in the side walls, because that's what's really going to help your shape flow. Like, you got to get up in them side walls really good. Now, don't foul their side walls away, but you still want to make sure that shape gradually comes down from their side wall. Otherwise, the tip of the nail, like the plastic part, that part is going to be looking all crispy and sharp and stuff, but their side walls is going to look kind of round. So make sure, you know, take care of that. Now, I did smooth out the nail and stuff off camera just because I was just struggling too bad, okay? So I just did that off camera. Now, I did use a light blue, as you can see, for the polish and croc design. Like I said, I really ain't have the colors for real, so I just, you know, did what I felt was decent enough. So I just mixed up this light blue color, and I'm using my Galore, per usual, my 25mm brush. I really like longer brushes, and I'm doing a French on this one. And yeah, watch me do that really quick. I always forget this step, y'all, but please make sure you top coat the nail before you do your 3D croc design. Please make sure you do not forget this part. I always forget. I just be ready to jump in and do the design, but you have to top coat the nail first. Otherwise, whenever you go in, you know, sprinkle that acrylic on top of your croc design, you're going to realize that you did not top coat this nail, and you do not want to top coat over the croc print, because then it's just going to defeat the whole purpose of the texture. So make sure you top coat the nail first. Now I'm using my A Galore 4mm brush to do the actual croc print. This brush I completely destroyed. I don't know how, but the bristles are kind of fanned out, so that's why I'm able to do the croc print with this, because the bristles are just they're they're tore up. I don't know how I did that, but I tried the hot water trick, but the bristles didn't come back together. I don't know. I'll have to try it again though. So I just decided to use this brush. I think just because I couldn't find my dotting tool at the time, but you can definitely use a dotting tool. And I'm just using this same light blue polish to do the croc. The only difference is, instead of using clear or a light blue powder for the croc, I'm going to use this. No, I'm going to use the original blue Hawaiian, or Hawaiian blue, whatever, instant acrylic powder. Not the one I mixed with clear, but like the original straight from the acrylic jar. I'm going to use that to sprinkle over. I don't know why I chose that to sprinkle over. Like, I don't know why I chose that, because in the pictures hers is light blue croc, but see, this is what it is. I don't know what that brand is. I really can't remember right now. But this is the original color. On her nail bed, the color is mixed with clear, but this is the original color. I don't know why I decided to use that for the croc, but I like how it turned out. Now, for this client, she had a certain price range, so I'm not going to do the bling exactly like how Porche did it in hers, just because we was on a budget, okay? So I am going to do the French bling, and I'm going to bling out the ring finger, but I'm not going to put any charms on the pinky or the thumb. And for the index finger, I'm only going to do one line of bling. Porche has 2 lines with some gold micro beads on there, but I'm not doing all of that. So I still like how they came out, super cute. I do like the mix of the silver and the AB and the gold. I really like how that turns out, and also the pearls is really nice combination. And yeah, I'm using my bling gel, but I am going to start back using my Zulay, just because this bling gel have been giving me a little bit of problems. I got it from my nail supply store, so yeah. Most of these charms you see, they either came from Shein or Amazon. Definitely suggest investing in some nice shapes when it comes to stone placement, like that gold shape I have at the top. Very nice and intricate, you know, something different, so you won't have to keep using the same generic shapes for your bling nails. Alright guys, we are towards the end of the video. If you liked how these turned out, please give me a like, and also make sure you shout out Porche in the comments. Tell her she did a good job on this set, because it's definitely beautiful and very nice to recreate. I really wish I could have, you know, had more time to really do it like hers, but again, budget and timing just wasn't cutting it. But I still like how they came out, and make sure you guys comment and subscribe.